the farm, and I hope you liked this video, and I hope you get to see all these fun animals.
That's a bear.
Yeah, it looks like a bear, but.
Yeah. Oh, yay!
Yeah, look at the goats on top of the hill. Don't step in the poopy. There you go.
It's a baby.
Little baby.
It's heavy, huh?
He is. He's like an Aiden.
Is that heavy?
Oh, well, put it down. Start over. Start over.
Is that heavy?
Look at that thing.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh,
What are you doing?
hold it. Nice. Look at her. He's Deacon. How old is he? How old is Deacon?
He's 3 weeks.
1 month, right?
3 weeks.
Only 3 weeks.
Look at he bites the propet too.
That's what they're doing to me. They're like holding my butt. Oh my god, he's so mad.
Brownie.
I think the stripy ones are my favorite. What do you think? Look at that guy. He was trying to jump on his mom.
Oh my god!
You need to help me so I can.
That's around it, Mama.
He knows because I.
Sweater of her furs.
Yeah,
Big, big. That's not bad. You just shave them.
At the doors, and the chicken is at the doors, and Papa's and Dad, and it's bye.
And then we know it when they don't.
This is for my chicken, and it's also a present. Mommy, does it have? No, this.
And then including the machines inside.
Hi, hope you liked this video. Make sure to do a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.